this video, I will show you how to wash your ass. Welcome to our detailed guide on a topic that, while often not openly discussed, is crucial for personal hygiene and overall health: how to wash your buttocks area properly. This post aims to offer comprehensive, original, and helpful advice on this subject, ensuring you maintain the highest hygiene standards. Understanding the importance. Firstly, let's understand why maintaining cleanliness in your buttocks area is essential. This region is prone to bacterial growth due to its proximity to the anus, where fecal matter is excreted. Proper cleaning prevents the spread of bacteria, reduces the risk of infections, and eliminates odors. It's not just about feeling fresh, it's a vital part of your health regimen. Preparation, setting the stage for cleanliness. Before you begin, ensure you have everything you need within reach. This includes mild soap, preferably unscented to avoid irritation, a washcloth or sponge, and a clean towel for drying. Using the right products is key to avoiding irritation and ensuring a thorough clean. Step-by-step washing guide. Hand washing. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap. This step is crucial to prevent the spread of germs. Showering. If you're showering, let warm water run over your body first. This helps to soften the skin and prepare the area for cleaning. Soap application. Apply a mild soap to your washcloth or sponge. It's recommended to use a washcloth or sponge over your hands for a more effective clean. The washing process. Gently clean your buttocks, starting from the top and moving downwards. Pay special attention to washing between the buttocks and around the anus. Remember, gentleness is key to avoid irritation. Rinsing off. Thoroughly rinse the area with water, ensuring all soap is washed away. Soap residue can lead to discomfort and irritation. Drying. Pat the area dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing as the skin in this area is sensitive. Post-washing hand cleanse. Again, wash your hands thoroughly after cleaning your buttocks area. Additional tips and advice. Frequency. It's best to wash your buttocks area at least once a day, preferably during your regular shower or bath. Choosing the right products. For those with sensitive skin, hypoallergenic or non-scented products are recommended. Avoid harsh soaps as they can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Dealing with hemorrhoids. If you have hemorrhoids, be extra gentle. Avoid scrubbing and use lukewarm water. Consult with a healthcare professional for advice on suitable products. After using the toilet, using wet wipes, preferably unscented and alcohol-free, can be an effective way to maintain cleanliness throughout the day, especially when you're not able to shower immediately after a bowel movement. In conclusion, maintaining cleanliness in your buttocks area is a crucial aspect of personal hygiene. It prevents bacterial growth, reduces infection risk, and keeps you feeling fresh. Remember to wash gently, use the right products, and practice this hygiene routine daily. By following these steps, you can ensure that you maintain good health and hygiene in one of the body's most sensitive areas. Frequently asked questions. How often should I wash my buttocks area? It's recommended to wash your buttocks area at least once a day during your regular bathing routine. Can I use regular soap to wash my buttocks? Yes, but if you have sensitive skin, it's better to use mild or hypoallergenic soap to avoid irritation. Is it necessary to use a washcloth or sponge? While it's not absolutely necessary, using a washcloth or sponge can help ensure a more thorough clean compared to using just your hands. How can I maintain cleanliness after using the toilet if I can't shower immediately? Using unscented, alcohol-free wet wipes is a good way to maintain cleanliness throughout the day. What should I do if I experience irritation in my buttocks area? If irritation occurs, consider switching to a milder soap and ensure you're rinsing thoroughly. If irritation persists, consult a healthcare professional. By addressing these frequently asked questions, we hope to have provided you with a comprehensive understanding of this essential aspect of personal hygiene. Remember, maintaining cleanliness in your buttocks area is not just about comfort. It's an important practice for your overall health and well-being. Did you enjoy this video? If so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.